warm welcome to Craft with Sarah. I am very excited to tell you that registration is now open for the very first Spring Craft Countdown event. I'll be sharing 14 brand new paper crafts to make with a Cricut, Silhouette or Scan & Cut from the 11th to the 24th of April. Each day you'll be able to download a new cut file, and whether you're brand new to your cutting machine or you've been paper crafting for years, all of these projects will be absolutely suitable for you. The projects are kept a secret or a surprise until their release day, but you can see some previews on the screen now. Can you see any that you think you might like the look of? To register your free ticket, head to craftwithsarah.com/spring26. By registering a free ticket, it means that you'll get an email every day at 9 a.m. Eastern Time between the 11th to the 24th of April. That's when the new projects go live each day. You'll then have 24 hours to hop on over to my website to download the files free of charge. Each day's project comes with at least one cut file and a full video and written tutorial. However, you do need to download that free file within the 24 hours, otherwise it disappears. If you're worried about remembering, or if you'd rather get all the files right now so you can start your spring crafting early, check out the Instant Access Bundle. This is an optional paid upgrade to the countdown that gives you immediate access to all the projects right now, and then you can download them as many times as you want, whenever you want. There's no waiting around for you. You'd also get access to a whole load of bonus files that are not included with the free tickets. The Instant Access Bundle will get you 10 additional layered SVGs, all with a beautiful spring theme, 15 mini flower layered designs, 5 spring animal greetings cards, and 5 adorable side edge cards that are so quick and easy to make. To find out more about how to get all of those designs right now, head to craftwithsarah.com/spring26 bundle. The bundle's available for the entire period of the countdown, but it is at its most affordable price right now. So if you're thinking about it, don't delay, grab it now while it's at that lower price. But if you're taking part on the free ticket, that's absolutely fine too. Just remember to log on every day to download the cut files. And of course, get your free ticket so that you won't forget at craftwithsarah.com/spring26. If you've got any questions about the countdown, you can send an email to hello@craftwithsarah.com. So what are you doing still watching? Go ahead and register to make sure you won't miss out on any of these fun new papercraft projects. I hope to see you then when the fun starts on April 11th. Thank you for watching. Bye!